This is why you don't need 20 pairs of shoes this winter. You only need these 4 pairs. Kicking it off with my personal favorite, the Slim sneaker. The love child of a ballerina and a sneaker. Sleek, flattering, and the only sneaker that works beautifully with barrel jeans and wide leg pants. Next up, the pointy pump. Perfect shoe for barrel jeans. The secret style trick, that little triangle of ankles showing. Yes, it instantly elongates your legs and makes even basic jeans look chic. Now you're going to say, Helene, I don't want to wear barrel jeans all the time. Jy hoef nie barrel jeans te dra nie. Grab your favorite shorts. Just add a jacket to your ensemble and your secret weapon, the golden pump that goes perfectly with shorts. Think of these as your neutral with personality. You can even add your loafers. Loafers are so versatile. Just added them to exactly the same outfit. These sneakers, stylvolle niggie, structured, effortless, and perfect when you want to look put together without sacrificing comfort. Depending on the occasion, you just switch between your 4 favorite pairs of shoes. Easy as that. Magic!